की गाथा, सबसे ऊंची तेरी शान, तेरे आगे शीश झुकाएं, दे हम सब तुझको सम्मान. With these lines, I, Sanchita, along with my colleague Preeti, welcome you all to the celebration of Independence Day 2020.
How blissful is this moment that we have all gathered on this platform to celebrate Independence Day. Times have changed, and so have we. Indians are unstoppable, and it shows that even such a pandemic can't crush the patriotism spirit that flows in our hearts.
After the uncountable sacrifices of our freedom fighters, we finally got our independence on 15th of August 1947. We owe our independence to them. Let's all salute and pay respect to all those heroes before starting with our today's event. The celebration of our national festivals always begin with the flag hoisting ceremony, and this is even being followed by us. So now we'll all have our auspicious flag waving ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. Our Honorable CMD, Mr. Rajkumar Sir, will hoist the national flag, a symbol of national pride and identity. I would request you all to please stand up for the national anthem.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we pray, progress, and prosper in the independent nation, and this has been possible because of the sacrifices that have been made by the people for the independent India. This event is being celebrated all over the world, and everyone has their own way to celebrate. But there's one common sentiment that is behind all the celebrations, and that is Vande Mataram. So let's come and color our celebration today. May I request our CMD sir to hoist the flag.
आप सबको 74वां इंडिपेंडेंस डे बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. And as Nidhi ji has mentioned, we should always remember the sacrifices made by our seniors. Lakhs of people, many are still unknown. They have given their lives. They had a dream for us. Now we should not fail in fulfilling their dreams. We have to contribute towards our nation. The best thing is contribute where you are working. Service to the client, service to the company, it is all service to the nation. So please take a pledge that whatever we do, we should bring excellence. And we are still far behind many developed countries. Why can't we become developed with so much of brilliance? 73 years have passed. We still have to do many things. We still, when we need an infrastructure, we get foreign companies. It is shame for us. We proved ourselves in IT sector. Now it is our turn as infrastructure engineers. If we take a pledge, we can achieve it. India did it. We proved it in IT sector. Why can't here? Thank you very much. आप सबको बहुत भारत.
Maybe beyond Independence Day, what I wanted, I didn't want myself to address this Independence Day. Kazmi sir has done that honor very rightfully. What he said about the challenges that we face as a developing country and why we should not be a developed country. And he has beautifully given an example of the IT sector and where we can in infrastructure sector also, we can fill that gap and we can achieve that goals. As everybody knows in the organization, I am quite fanatic about health and fitness. So one thing, this is a right platform for me. I was thinking since quite a long. Today also I was talking to Mithun and I have been talking to other divisional heads. We are thinking of, and I will like a suggestion from everybody over here. We are thinking of buying bicycles. Now if you working, yeah, that's fine. In the point now, a lot of people have gone in this COVID situation or this particular pandemic has put a lot of people to understand the importance of health. And if people, slowly it is going to be compulsory for everybody. This is, first of all, we are requesting to you to join and subsequently we are going to make that compulsory. You have to be fit physically and mentally.
Thank you, CMD sir, hoisting the national flag. This marks the start of our celebration for today. Thank you, Dr. Kazmi, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us.
दोस्तों, यहाँ पे मुझे एक बात याद आती है. बात है आज से 5 महीने पहले की, जब कोरोना ने भारत में दस्तक दी और ये वैश्विक महामारी हम सब के लिए सबसे बड़ी चुनौती बन गई. उस समय हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के उन शब्दों ने हमें हौसला दिया, हमारा हौसला बुलंद रखा और वो शब्द थे आपदा को अवसर में बदलिए.
Thereby accepting the challenge of COVID-19, adhering to all the norms and practices of social distancing, we have all gathered here online for this celebration. So here it comes straight from Radishan's heart with full of energy and life, a beautiful group song performance. Let's all welcome them.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति उन्नति का प्यार का चमन. इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन. है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन वस्त्र होगा जिंदगी का मगन, होंगे सब मगन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन, मेरा मन। ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, ऐ वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन।
That was such a lovely performance. Thank you all for participating in this group song. And now let me take this opportunity to introduce the members of the group. And the members are Miss Ankita Day, Miss Vanishri, Miss Himanshi Bhatt, Mr. Rahul, and Mr. Saurav from Rodic Head Office. अभी तो हमने सिर्फ अपने कलीग्स का टैलेंट देखा है, अब बारी है उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स और उनके नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों का टैलेंट देखने की। और इसीलिए हमारे पास आई हैं बहुत सारी चित्र और कविताएं। आइए देखते हैं उन्होंने हमें क्या भेजा है।
कविता का शीर्षक है आत्मनिर्भर भारत। मेरा एक ये छोटा सा प्रयास है, ये प्रस्तुति आपके समक्ष। सोया सा इंसान जग गया, रुका सा देश चल पड़ा। जो सोचते थे ये देश निर्भर है सब पे, वो आत्मनिर्भर बन गया। विश्व पटल पे जो अंतिम पंक्ति में था, आज अग्रिम पंक्ति में पहुंच गया। शांति का संदेश देने वाला देश दुश्मनों का काल बन गया। ये देश आत्मनिर्भर बन गया। लोकल पे वोकल संदेश चल गया। स्वच्छता की ओर अपना भारत बढ़ गया। कोरोना काल में विश्व भय से डर गया। मेरा देश इससे भी लड़ गया। ये देश आत्मनिर्भर बन गया। पहुंच चुके हैं मंगल तक, दूर नहीं है चांद भी। सबका साथ सबका विश्वास, यही स्लोगन बन गया। ये देश आत्मनिर्भर बन गया। धन्यवाद।
ऐ भारत तुझको आत्मनिर्भर होना है, ऐ भारत तुझको आत्मनिर्भर होना है। धरती ये फिर से उगलेगी सोना, खेतों को उर्वर होना है। दूध की नदियाँ बहती थी तुझमें, क्षीर का अब सागर होना है। विकास न लाए गैस विषैला, उद्योग कुटीर घर घर होना है। सोने की चिड़िया अब तू न बनना, सोने का अंबर होना है। आए विश्व पे आपदा कोई, सेवा का ना अवसर खोना है। सिखाना जग को है अपनी भाषा, किसी का ना नौकर होना है। ऐ भारत तुझको आत्मनिर्भर होना है, ऐ भारत तुझको आत्मनिर्भर होना है।
आत्मनिर्भर भारत, मेरा भारत। जब जमींदार खत्म होंगे और जमी आएगी काश्तकार के हाथों में, जब मजदूर खुद होंगे फैक्ट्रियों के मालिक, जब जंगल होंगे मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियों से आजाद, जब रोटियां बनाने वाली मार नहीं रोटियां खाएगी, जब मारने वाले हाथ जलेंगे तवे से, तब मेहनत कश को मिलेगा उसका पूरा मेहताना। जब पूंजी के बदले नहीं बल्कि मेहनत के बदले मिलेगा खाना, तब होंगे हम सब आत्मनिर्भर।
Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
Wow, it was amazing to see such talents of our colleagues and their family members. We would like to thank you all from the bottom of our heart.
Indeed, all the poems and all the paintings were mesmerizing, but there are few lines which are unforgettable. सोया सा इंसान जाग गया, रुका सा देश चल पड़ा। जो सोचते थे ये देश निर्भर है सब पे, वो आत्मनिर्भर बन गया, वो आत्मनिर्भर बन गया।
After this, we are glad to receive a video of beautiful performance by Miss Sejaleen Kaur, daughter of Mrs. Gurmeet Kaur. So let's all welcome her.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापान के पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाटों की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापान के पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाटों की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिया है जान भी। आजा आजा चंद्रशेखर के तले, आजा दरियाल नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो जय हो, जग दे जग दे इंडिया, जग दे जग दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। सलाम सलाम मलय शिवला, सत्य श्यामला बात अपन वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया की दुल्हन, ये माथे की बिंदिया।
Wow, that was such a lovely performance. Thank you, Sejaleen. Now, let's have flashback of some golden memories of last year's celebration of Independence Day.
That was really amazing to see the beautiful pics of last year's celebration of Independence Day. As we all know that India is known for its unity in diversity. We are all proud of its rich culture, tradition and heritage. To pay tribute to our motherland and thank her for everything she has bestowed on us, let's welcome some of our colleagues with a beautiful group song performance. That was amazing, lovely performance. Thank you all. And the talented participants of this performance are Mr. Ajay Kumar Singh, Mr. Ajit Kumar, Ms. Nisha Lawrence, Ms. Himanshi Bhatt, Ms. Ankita Dey, Ms. Preeti Bakshi, Ms. Sunaina Bisht, Ms. Shilpa Datta, Ms. Pragati Khulve, Ms. Rahul Pandey, Mr. Rahul Pandey, Mr. Anuk Singh, Mr. Rahul Yadav, Mr. Saurabh Kiran, Mr. Suraj Jaibhai, Mr. Arnad Nath, Ms. Meenakshi Rathi, and Ms. Vanishri Singh. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
We have one more heart-touching performance by Sanchita here. Thank you so much, Sanchita, for this lovely performance. With this, we have come towards the end with beautiful lines by Sri Rabindranath Tagore's poem, which is Let's Our Country Awake, where the mind is without fear and the head held high, where knowledge is free where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection,
where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Let my country awake. We now salute to the spirit of unstoppable relations. Let's witness it.
मेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर देना मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियां मर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के नीलाए खूर हमारे सृष्टिया कोई गाता নদী নীরবধি এসে মেশে সাগরে বর্ষার রূপে অপরূপে ঝিরি 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 বর্ষে তোমার সুর মোদের সুর সৃষ্টি করুক সুর ಸರಿತೆ ಹರಿದು ಸಾಗರವ ಮೇಘವಾಗಿ ಸುರದಿದೆ ಹನಿ ಹನಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇ ಸುರ ಮಳೆ ಜೋ ತಾರೋ ನೆ ಮಾರೋ ಸುರ ಬನೆ अपनो सुर मरे जो तारो ने मारो मरे सुर जो तारो मारो बने अपनो सुर निरालो सुरनी नदियों सौ दिशा थी बहने सागर ने मरे मेहुलानो रूप लईने बरसे हड़वे हड़वे
This is the true spirit of Rhodesians. We are present pan-India and of course outside India, but yet we are united. We work for a common purpose and we are one. By this, we have come to the end. Thank you all for joining us here today with us. Thank you for our audience, being our audience. Jai Hind. Have a very good day.